A disturbing video this evening of Sunday's deadly shooting in Spring Village, St. Catherine. 9 people were shot, 3 died. Now, as we hear in this report, the conflict is said to have started over missing guns. Now, these images may be disturbing, so viewer discretion is strongly advised.
Sounds of tragedy. Screams and sorrow replaced the football fanfare at the Jamaica Broilers complex in Spring Village, St. Catherine Sunday evening. The over 300 patrons gathered here had to take cover after gunmen arrived and sprayed the field with bullets.
If I never know me, I lose my baby mother yesterday. Because me see when my baby mother even get shot in her neck back. And lie down on the ground. But I have to take off my guns and wrap around her neck. But in the same time, she cry for her kids them. So at the same time, I tie her neck and put her up on her face and run up and down for to get the kids them. While the whole battlefield coming like my danceness as I run up and down.
A conflict which the police believe started over missing guns ended with 9 people shot, 3 fatally.
There's my information that the target was one of the deceased by the name of Squire, who was targeted over illegal weapons that went missing.
In the community Monday morning, a trail of death and devastation. Grieving family members could not hold back their emotions. In the heat of the moment, some fainted, prompting the police to act.
Some of them have underlying issues such as asthmatic condition, and as such they would have been overwhelmed with the situation.
I just came back from visiting the grandparents of one of the deceased, and her blood pressure is way sky up, very high.
The police were joined by several stakeholders in the parish who joined hands to provide support to the residents. Trisha Reed is the president of the St. Catherine South Chamber of Commerce.
I too got emotional. I'm not related to them. I'm not family, but it's really emotional. It's nerve-wracking.
The gruesome nature of the brazen attack is raising alarm. There is fear that criminals are getting even more daring and ruthless. So now, as the community mourns, the police are beefing up security.
Very unfortunate because yesterday a team was just down the road in the Gutters area conducting a vehicular checkpoint. Spring Village has been an area of concern ever since we had that flare-up of violence within Spanish Town. We have been watching this area because we recognize that there are persons who are connected to the conflict there in Spanish Town who also lives in this area.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.